I need to shower and get dressed quickly.
Jacob, wake up. It's 8:17. 5 more minutes. Just 5. Remember that 9 a.m. presentation of yours? Huh? What? Why didn't you wake me up earlier? I tried twice. Oh, no, this isn't happening. Well, good morning to you too, sleeping ugly. I need to shower and get dressed quickly. You can skip the shower. Panic sweat is basically nature's cologne. This is your fault. Bro, you told me to shake you a little. If you don't get up, you slap my hand away like I stole your snacks. Next time, just throw water at me. Or a chair. I don't care. It's 8:35. Good luck, champ. Want me to call you an Uber? Nah, I'll just run. Maybe if I'm fast enough, they'll think I was there the whole time. Bye. Your backpack's still here. Guess he also said goodbye to his presentation then.
The conference room is on the second floor.
Hi, hello? I just want to ask that, do you know where the conference room is?
Sure, the conference room is on the second floor. Just take the elevator and turn right.
Oh, great, thanks. I've been walking in circles for 10 minutes.
Happens to everyone. This place is a maze the first week.
I'm supposed to join the 10 a.m. team meeting. I hope I'm not late.
You're good. You still have 5 minutes. Want me to walk you there?
That'd be amazing, thanks. I still don't know where anything is.
No worries. On your first day, just surviving the coffee machine is a win.
Speaking of which, does it always sound like it's about to explode?
Every morning. It's got character, like an angry Italian uncle.
I like it already. And the chairs? Also angry?
Only mildly, but if one squeaks, it squeaks forever.
Sounds inspiring. I'll be writing reports with a soundtrack.
It's an office life. Caffeine, deadlines, and all that jazz.
This is honestly more fun than I thought.
Oh my, we will see about that. Could you please send me that report before the deadline? Jasmine tea and inbox 0. Life is good.
Jenny, please tell me you finished the sales report.
Oh, that thing. I already emailed it to you last night.
The file you sent me, it won't open. It says unknown error.
What? No way. I triple-checked it.
Did you?
Wait. I upgraded my laptop yesterday. Maybe something went wrong with the file transfer.
Check it again, please.
Okay. Don't panic. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Oh.
I don't like your at all.
Good news. I found the real report. Bad news. It's still in draft form with all my notes.
The deadline's in 30 minutes. For the love of... Could you please send me that report before the deadline?
Yeah, I can do it. Just need to remove all of my nonsense in it.
And please, let's hope this one actually opens.
Fingers crossed. I accidentally deleted the important file.
Ava, I may or may not have deleted a very important file.
I need you to repeat that, but properly and slower this time.
I accidentally deleted the important file. The presentation's gone.
Oh no. 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 How?
I clicked something, then boom, gone.
You gotta be... Okay, let's breathe first. Maybe it's in the trash folder?
Nope, I already checked. Nothing there, just memes.
Memes? Memes? Oh my god.
At least I deleted it with style.
This is not funny, Leo. The boss will kill us.
No worries, we have a backup. The one was just made last week, right?
That's the thing. I never uploaded it. I was gonna do it today.
Ah, yes, the classic tomorrow trap.
Thanks for the support. I feel so much better now.
All right, no jokes. Let's try file recovery tools. I know a few tricks.
You do? Since when are you the tech genius?
Since I deleted my own file last month. Been there, done that.
And what? You survived?
Barely, but yes, I recovered it like a hero.
Okay, let's do this. You're my only hope, Obi-Wan.
May the files be with us.
The meeting got postponed again.
I made it. Where is everyone?
The meeting got postponed again.
I skipped breakfast, jumped over a stroller, and gave a truck the finger for a meeting that doesn't exist.
And now you get to rest, like a hero, a very sweaty hero.
This is the third time this week. It was supposed to be the review of our project.
And the one where they decide the team budget, head count, and whether we even still exist.
I just want to finish something on this project.
Yeah, I gave up hope. They ought to have sent a message at the very least.
Hi team, just a quick update. The 8 p.m. meeting is now rescheduled to never. Please continue pretending to work.
Next time they cancel, I'm disappearing too, like the meeting. Please remind me to mail the report tomorrow.
Have you finished your work? It's time to sleep.
I have done everything.
You've been busy these days, despite working from home, right?
Since it's the end of the year, I have to do a lot of reports.
Don't work too hard.
I know. Please remind me to mail the report tomorrow.
Okay.
These days, I usually forget things.
I think it's because you work so hard. You need some rest.
I also want to relax, but the amount of work is so much.
Although you have a lot of work, you must sleep enough.
I remember. I'll be back in an hour. Mr. David, the meeting will start in about 15 minutes.
Miss Jessica, can you reschedule the meeting for me?
Yes, but what happened?
I have urgent work now. I have to come back home.
What time will you return to the company?
I'll be back in an hour.
So I will tell everyone to delay the meeting.
Okay, thanks.
But do you need any help? Shall I prepare the car for you?
No need. I'll drive myself. If there is anything, please let me know.
Don't worry.
Okay.
The new restaurant serves amazing seafood.
What's that? Leftovers?
Some stir fry from last night. It was better when it was warm and hopeful.
Sounds like even the microwave gave up halfway.
It did. It just beeped and sighed at me.
Well, I just tried that new place down the street.
Really? I've been meaning to check it out.
Yeah, the new restaurant serves amazing seafood, like scary good.
Is it fancy?
Not too fancy, enough to feel like a treat, but still affordable.
Now that's my kind of place. Do they have grilled shrimp?
Yes, I tried it. Life-changing. I had a brief moment of silence after the first bite.
Great. I'm hungry again. Thanks for that.
Hey, I mean, if you're curious, wanna check it out together sometime? Maybe this weekend.
Are you asking me out through seafood?
Is it working?
You already had me at scary good.
I'll book us a table before you come to your senses.
Hey, if the shrimp isn't life-changing, you're buying me an apology ice cream.
Then let's hope it's the start of something better than leftovers.